Hello all, I am Siddharth Sinha and my friend Akash Vishwakarma has created an application called Gymify. So, uh, currently if we see, we get many things as a service, right? Like grocery as a service, big basket, then food delivery as a service, Zomato or Swiggy, and traveling as a service, like you can book cabs, Uber, Ola, medicine as a service, etc. So you can see many things are currently your daily utilities are provided as a service. So we thought, why not provide fitness as a service? So our basic idea is to create a gym or sports club booking application. So where you can just browse a particular gym or sports club, read about them, read the reviews and ratings, and just book a slot for the book a slot to exercise, and yeah, as simple as that. These apps makes our life convenient and easier. So that's the basic idea. So after doing some basic research, we found that currently you have to pay a membership fees, right? A 6 months membership fee or a yearly or quarterly membership fees to to subscribe to their services basically. So which is quite rigid, right? Like we have to pay an entire 6 months or a yearly fees, and we are generally not able to attend every day, right? You may be able to attend 4 days a week or 5 days a week, but rest of the days, the amount for the rest of the days is wasted, right? So our idea is to basically democratize gyms, that is make it as simple as booking a movie ticket on Book My Show, or ordering a pizza, or booking a hotel on Oyo. It's just as simple as that. You can just book a fitness slot similarly. So that's the basic idea. No membership fees, no subscription hassles of wastage, and so the idea is to offer people. For now, we are thinking of starting with employees of the company and then extend it to everyone, retail users. So the idea is to offer employees across India the flexibility to work out whenever, wherever, and however they want. That is, provide fitness as a service. So. Uh, we are working on breaking barriers like price barriers, then location barriers, as in if we have taken a subscription, then we get logged into that gym, right? We cannot explore other gyms or other facilities, the other gyms that are providing some more facilities, or if you, I know many times people do need to travel, personal travel or maybe business travel, and so when you travel, maybe like you find a gym, but they won't allow you for a day or week, right? Like you will get access to gyms in hotels and so on, but you can't get currently generally gyms don't allow for a daily or a weekly subscription, like because they have their plans, right? 6 months plan or a yearly plan, 3 months plan. So they are quite rigid, and they have no provision, but it can be changed, right? The system is quite fixed, but it can be changed, it can be made dynamic, right? So if they have a platform for allowing users to book a particular slot, and if it's generating additional revenue, why won't they allow, right? So from the user side, as I said, it's easy to it's for users, it provides a time flexibility, a location flexibility, and cost reduction. Only pay when you use, right? Pay as you use model. So and for gyms, it's like if a person is booked for 6 months and they are only attending, they are able to attend for 4 days a week, and the rest 3 of the days gets wasted. So why not you use them? If some other person is wants to book a slot, wants to work in those 3 days, and anyways it's not used for the person who has booked for the entire year. He's not using it for those days, so why not allow the other person to use it if they are ready to pay, and if you have the resources, if the trainers are available, so why not allow it to book and get additional revenue? So I don't think they should have any issues. Currently they are not doing it because probably they don't have the platform to do this, right? They are fixed in their plans and rigid, and they don't have any platform to allow people to book for a day or something. So this is the basic plan to break that system, break the barriers, and make it as flexible, as dynamic as possible. That is, make fitness, a person will just browse the all the gyms, listing of all the gyms and sports club, as I said, then just with the description, rating, reviews, uh, book the slot and pay and get done. It's just as simple as that. And maybe you just then go and exercise and return in an hour. So you don't have to plan and then pay 6 months membership fee upfront, and then plan your days, and some amount of money do gets wasted in that, right? So that's the basic plan. And currently we have thought to start this with companies. The idea is for a hackathon, on HackerOut. So it's for the so currently we have thinking to start with the company. So a company can partner with gyms or sports club and administer the entire application. So the company will be admin, and employees, and they will be they will partner with gyms or sports club, and employees can then book to the partner gyms, book with the partner gyms and clubs, and avail the facilities that company has provided. And for the companies, it's like they will get the digital health records of the employees, like the physical health status or mental health status. And it's like they will know the pattern of how the employees are, how healthy the employees are, and what more can be done to improve the health. Because it does adds value, right? Because if the company, if the employee is healthy, it does adds value to the company. So and they can maybe apply then analytics, predictive analytics, and a pattern, a health pattern of the employees, and so on. So many things can be done. So let me show you the application for now. So this is the basic homepage of the applications. As you can see, the various listing of the gyms. And so let me book a particular slot. You can see the city, location, rating, review, cost per hour. So okay, please sign in first. Okay, so let me create an account for myself. Okay, create your account. And yeah, so I've created an account for myself. Okay, let me try to book now. Okay, no slot available. Let me book it for 24th. 24th, it's 1 p.m. Okay, yes, you don't have enough balance. Okay, so for this I have to add money to my account. So you can see currently money is 0. So let me pay the amount. So as you can see, we have use payment gateway, Stripe payment gateway for now. This is we're entering a dummy card numbers and all that Stripe provides for testing, and pay. So yes, so now the money will be added to my account. So as you can see, money is 500, and yeah, now I should be able to book. So let me try to book now. 24th, 1 p.m. I shall have to continue. Okay, so yeah, you can see it's booked for 24th, 1 p.m. Slot is successfully booked. So yeah, now I can visit the gym in the given time, in the given date. And yeah, this is the user side basically. So it's like you can visit, you can check the many listings of the gym, and you can book as you want. And I can list all my bookings over here. So you can see this all the listings. I can cancel any of them, and they will. We are currently providing 20% reduction if you cancel a gym. So that's the basic plan that can be changed, and it's quite dynamic. We have just made it as a test feature for now. So this is for the this is the user side. Let me now log in as a gym owner side. So as a So for gym owner, we have provided a basic dashboard. So you can see revenues, then bookings, and user number of users, and daily bookings, how many daily bookings are done, and monthly bookings, hourly bookings as well. This for last 30 days, and this is just updated. Which are there are most number of users, and yeah, like which are the most top 5 users basically. And here you will get all the users count. So you can see this currently I have booked siddharth@gmail.com. So this is today I book. So yeah, this is sorted accordingly. And yeah, this is set free slots. So it's like I can set the slots that are currently free. So you can see on the user side there are only 2 slots available. So I can add one more slots at 5 p.m. and then I can submit it. And on the user side, then 5 p.m. will also be shown, and user can then book on 5 p.m. as well. So this is a basic plan we have created. And I mean, gym owner can perform various functionalities like dashboard, then free slots, user list, and map. We are thinking of adding, like it can show from where the users are coming from. It's not yet implemented, but that's the basic plan, to show a map with indicators of from where the users are coming. So this is the admin side. Let me show you. This was the owner side. Let me try to create a new gym. So test at the rate. Let me. I have ticked gym owner, and yeah, this is the basic format I have to put on creating a new gym. So let me try. Test gym. The email is already fetched from the login form. Cost I have to put, and this is owner name. Property registration number, basically it's like, you get a multiple registration number, right, for any property that you have. So there's the basic plan. Let me random address, and yeah, you can add your description like, we provide personalized training and so on, personalized training, etc., and so on. So this is a submit. So now I've submitted the form and it's gym profile submitted. Wait for some time to approve. So I have submitted it, but you can see it's still not shown over here. New gym, test gym that I've submitted. That is because it's not been approved by the admin. So as soon as I submit, an admin has to approve it. So let me log in as an admin. Yes. So you can see this is admin dashboard, and you can see total revenue, number of bookings, number of users, number of gyms. So and also like daily bookings of total, like it's an aggregated numbers, like the numbers of all the gyms. So monthly bookings and daily bookings, hourly bookings, and the top 5 gyms according to bookings they are sorted. So these are the gym and gym list. So you can see currently 3 gyms are approved, and you can see this test gym that I've just added is not approved yet. So let me now approve this. So as an admin, I can then change, I can just verify all of this property registration number and location and everything. I can just verify, and if it's everything is fine, I can just approve it. Once approved, it's yes. And yeah, this will be now shown on the website. So this is a basic thing that admin can do: dashboard, gym list, and again maps. We are in the process of implementing this for gym, from where the gyms are. And let me show you the gyms, the gym currently added should be provided. Oh yeah, so you can see test gym that's currently added, and I can again book slot for this gym as well. Again, I have to sign in. So this is a basic application that we have created for the hackathon. FitTech, we say Gymify provide fitness as a service. Thank you.